Man, it stinks in here. What are you guys doing? We ain't supposed to. Hey, we're. No, I'm not going to say that. You need a haircut, boy. Look at him, me. We're almost three amigos. I just had to come out and get some content for. What do you got going on? Anything?
Yeah.
I just like looking at myself in the camera. You got that other mountain?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Tight?
Yeah.
Good. What do I have to tell you? Yeah, David. Oh boy. Always turns into more work. They've been struggling all morning here, all day. I don't have a light with me, that's alright. We got that rear end done and air conditioner done, and then the guy was saying, yeah, check that rear end, or the middle section of the machine, there's a clunking going on. Transmission, all 4 bolts were missing. And there's a rubber, I'll show you. Well, what a heck of a time they had to get them in. Rubber bushing top and bottom. Many of you guys seen them before, and it only would do it when you turn real sharp and put a lot of pressure on the drive line. So they got them in there. This thing, the air conditioner is good. The clutch was the part of the problem. It was a multitude of things with that. So, and we got a truck in there for oil change tomorrow. Just some regular maintenance. I just wanted to, I was supposed to be out of town, but I got a reprieve. We worked extra hard Monday, and I ran away on Tuesday up to Michigan. Came back late last night. Had some stuff to do today, and me and the big guy are going back up north tomorrow, so I thought I'd put out a little short video. So, that's it. That's short. 2.5 minutes ain't much for this guy. So they're doing their swindle sheets. They swindle the boss out of money. They write down things. Yeah, we got some other work too with this machine. Got a pile of oil underneath there. What we discovered is when you lock the differential in, she's puking out the breather on there, so that talk to the customer, and the front axle is going to be coming out of this to get, you got to take it apart, take the whole axle out and repack the, basically there's a tiny cylinder in there that shifts the diff lock in and activates the brakes. So you'll see that one up in the air next week if you're watching this stuff. So, there you go. Now I'm done with the video. See ya.